Hey, my auntie told me I worry her. I told her nephew a warrior. Phone him a quick deal corridor. That 40 take you out your glory. I'm naming it Gloria.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mojo, and we back again with another banger. In today's video, man, we got this fat dude trying the best versus worst food truck, I guess, in his area. You know what I'm saying? And coming to look at him, I seen a few of his videos before. You know what I'm saying? And bro definitely like to eat, and you know what I'm saying. And it looked like he knows food. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, right. You know, like, bro, look like. Bro, I seen a few of his shit, bro. He knows his foods. But before we get into the video, man, make sure you like, comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more little bangers on the way. You know what I'm saying? Roll to 3K. Let's get into it.
This video is sponsored by Scentbird. Scentbird.
I smell something, bro. This is not a food truck.
Come on, come that way.
Bro, show them what we looking at. This is a U-Haul.
Folks got the motherfucking food truck outside the U-Haul. What are you doing, renting that bitch?
Oh, it's a U-Haul. Look. What?
That bitch rented.
Bro, this is a big ass U-Haul. What the hell? Keys, you say you take me to food place.
And this is the name of it.
Shit, what is that? Food to eat? Food? I think they meant to spell.
Oh, no.
Nah, bro, you better spell hood eat. Niggas started with it.
What?
Bro, I'm not eating here. Bro, I don't even see anybody. No cap. Bro, nobody's even here.
Hold on, though. The food low-key be good in the hood. Everybody know that.
Nobody in this bed.
Nigga, why you all in it? Bro, why you put your hands all in the car and shit? You tripping.
Ain't nobody in here, though.
Yeah.
Bro.
Hold on, before we go any farther, though, you know we gotta read the reviews. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna read the worst reviews and the best reviews. This is one of the worst reviews for Hoot Eats.
I think it's Hood Eats.
Hood?
It's just, they spelled it wrong, bro.
This place is so disgusting.
I'm not eating there.
I came here and was on the toilet for 4 hours.
You tripping?
What?
You want to eat, right? Okay.
It's probably what they got.
All right, bet.
Like, you never know.
Bro, you read.
They serving people burritos.
Bro.
Just read one.
Oh, no. Do you not see this?
1-star reviews.
I was devastated of how dirty this place was. I will never come here again. Worst customer service I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, no. She said,
bro, I'm not coming to the bro. You were serious?
This is what the subscribers want. This is what they gonna get.
Alright, bro. I'm just not eating it, bro. You gonna be eating it.
Nigga, we both gotta eat it, bro. At least eat a bite.
So, like, where the shit at, bro? Like, come on. Like,
obviously in the back. Before we go, let me do something.
You know he gotta dance before he eat. You gotta jig before you eat.
Bro. Yo! Nobody in this bitch. Ain't nobody here.
I think there's somebody here. What the? Yo!
Hey, y'all, man.
What's good with you?
Chillin', y'all see what's going on?
What the fuck?
Wait, you the owner?
What you mean am I the owner, man? You see everything right here. This shit really like,
So
that motherfucker got the grill that you get from the motherfucking park. He stole that bitch from the park. Bro, take that fucking grill back to the park where you found it.
it's Hood Eats. You don't spell hood with a E though.
what you mean?
Hood Eats.
Wait, so, like, what you doing, though? Like, what is this? Like, a real food?
I ain't gonna lie, I got kidnapped. Let me show you though, I got kidnapped soon.
Come on, bro. This shit.
Man, what you mean? I got everything y'all boys want, right?
Oh, shit!
What the fuck?
No, bro.
I'm saying though, y'all tripping those shit up. And y'all boys gonna listen?
Yeah, like, what you got on the menu, bro?
So look, watch out right quick. Look, I don't got no motherfucking burger, but a nigga got bologna.
Wait, you don't got no burgers, nigga?
Damn.
What you mean I don't got no burger? I got bologna.
Oh, no, you tripping, bro. You tripping, bro.
That shit
Folks said I ain't got no burgers, but I got some bologna. I got some loney for you. He said I ain't got no ground beef, but I got some loney. I ain't gonna get your ass a loney sandwich with some bacon on it.
Oh, hold on. Y'all boy really tripping like y'all acting like y'all never.
He flung that motherfucker on.
Really like. Yeah.
Okay. They like, what you got to drink?
So I got
What this is, bro?
What? That's right.
bro, that's Sprite, but really it's not really Sprite though. You feel me?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And try that.
Oh no, you tripping? That shit is about to
I ain't gonna lie, y'all boy extra. Y'all act like y'all never been to the hood before.
No, I never been.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't never seen no shit like this.
Bro, that ain't even hood, bro. That ain't hood. Don't let no one confuse you. That ain't no fucking hood, bro.
Clothes? What you got, those clothes out there for?
Bro, sleep up. I get it how I live.
Oh,
Is it the lowest cost?
At the lowest cost, y'all gonna get everything y'all need at the lowest cost.
I fuck with that. I fuck with that.
Yeah.
So bologna sandwich like 50.
Okay, 50? What the fuck?
He tell me, Falafel said it was about 50. He finna tax your ass $50 for a bologna sandwich. That bitch better be extravagant.
I ain't gonna lie.
So that is right there, bro.
Look. I got some Cheetos.
Can I get some of them?
Nah, you got how much those are?
Wait, these ain't Cheetos? What the fuck?
Hey, no, you extra, bro. You really extra, bro.
What the
I'm saying, so these ain't Cheetos?
Man, we gotta eat here with them.
I'm here to observe like your restaurant.
Hold on, right quick.
Oh shit, you burning this shit, bro.
That shit burn.
Shit burn. Anyway.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna need that on my sandwich though.
Oh, you got a
His ass hibachi.
Oh, wait, what?
Hey, he hibachi.
What you talking about there right here?
Yeah, what is?
Kool-Aid.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah, try that bitch.
Let's try this up. Okay.
Get you a Kool-Aid. What the hell?
What the fuck?
I can't try my Kool-Aid? How you tripping, bro? Try this bitch. I don't got no ice, though. So I've got my...
That warm ass Kool-Aid. No, nobody want no warm ass Kool-Aid. Shit gonna be thick as hell.
You got no idea. What the fuck? Bro, come on, bro.
Bro, y'all doing too much, bro. Y'all going...
Why is this shit on Google?
What the fuck? Support your black business.
I'm supporting, but I ain't gonna eat here, bro.
Try that bitch.
What the fuck? This shit sweeter than...
Your ass gonna die.
Good as hell.
Yo. Hold on. Now try to,
Nah.
Crazy. Y'all boys try this though.
I'm about to get a cigarette, bro.
Oh, damn.
Y'all boys try this.
What the hell?
Watch out.
Oh.
Watch out. Watch out.
Catch that bit now.
Y'all boys try this.
Come on, pour me up.
Hey, look, this right here.
So,
This little,
this the hood shit. Okay.
Okay. Tight shit.
Okay, let me
Y'all boys try
Smell that shit.
Hold on. Y'all boys drink that. Let me know how that bitch tastes.
Let me see. I'm scared.
Nah, this shit good as hell though. I like this. I like Kool-Aid with hella sugar.
If you pass out, I ain't gonna hit it.
That is not Sprite.
I swear to God. What y'all talking about?
Oh.
What the fuck is it?
You got cheese and shit?
Wait, you got mayonnaise? No butter? No butter on the bread?
I ain't gonna lie. You doing too much right now,
I want some hot Cheetos though.
What the fuck? Show me some. You eating your own? Nah.
Try this, y'all, boy.
Let me see what this shit talking about. Come on, Keys. Oh.
Hey, don't ever disrespect me like that, bro. Don't ever disrespect me like that, bro. For real.
Come on, bro. Don't do him like that. Don't disrespect. This shit good. Come on.
You know you like Cheetos. You don't be eating Cheetos.
I do, but nigga, I don't think these Cheetos.
You know you, hey, bro, try my Cheetos.
Nah, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, but look, though, I got the little mix.
Oh, the
You know,
mix.
you ain't never see this.
Shit.
I'll try everything. I ain't tripping.
I got a little mix. I'm trying to sleep, but try to.
Bro, what the
Come
fuck,
on,
bro?
bro. Try that bitch.
I can't just look.
No, bro.
What the fuck? I can't get in my...
You better not let that nigga feed you.
Bro,
listen,
Let her
bro.
go.
You doing? I don't want this service, bro.
Hey, bro, try.
All right, open it.
Yeah.
Nigga, you gay. You gay as hell. You just let that nigga feed you. You don't know where his hands been. You don't know where his. He didn't even wash his hands before he started cooking.
That's Stella as fuck. Give me a Stella ass chip. What the fuck? That's it. And your burger burning, bro. Like, what the fuck?
Come on, fam. Bro, y'all doing way too much. Look at
Hell no. What? No.
Chill out, dude.
Bro,
Chill out, dude.
I swear, Google.
Chill out, dude. Chill out.
This shit. What the? Oh. I'll still eat that bitch, okay?
I ain't gonna lie, they been crispy here. Oh, God. It been real crispy. It been real crispy on God.
What the fuck?
It been real
Put some
crispy.
chips on mine?
Yeah, do whatever you want.
He said that shit 50 a burger?
50 a burger.
Oh, hell no.
And these ain't burger, these bologna
What you
burgers.
take?
Oh.
Like, what payment?
Huh?
What, like, only got, bro, look, I only got Zelle.
Straight cash, bro.
Cat.
Oh,
Tight
There's no
shit.
cash on.
You don't got what?
I do.
don't got what?
I do, bro. I do, bro.
You got it.
I do, bro.
I'm saying, don't ever disrespect me like I need my cash.
oh shit.
You got it up.
Oh shit.
What that?
You niggas retarded,
That's
boy.
good shit. What the fuck?
I ain't gonna lie, bro. What's up with you, bro? Let me cut this up.
I'm good, look, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm just saying, bro. I don't really.
Bro, you acting like a whole ass hoe.
How you touch this nigga shit with no gloves, bro? Like, damn. You know it's COVID. Like, come on. What the fuck?
I ain't gonna lie, you really tripping right now. I got a little dessert. I got a little dessert.
He like that. He like that.
Dessert.
What the fuck?
Got a little dessert.
I like that, no cap. I used to get those a lot back in the day.
What these is?
Pecan.
What?
Come on, now the pecan.
I know your big ass,
Slow
though.
grass and sugar.
I know your big ass, though.
Oh shit.
Let me get some of that, though.
Okay. I think your shit ready. Oh shit.
So look, before you eat, you know you gotta pray.
Oh shit.
God, you know I don't really got it like that. But these black handsome young men really came to save the day. Hey man,
Hey, man.
why your eyes is open?
Nah, it was close. All right, bet.
Let me know how that been.
So let me show the camera first.
Look, chill on that.
Oh shit.
So we got the little bread
Yeah.
with the bologna.
Yeah. No mayonnaise, no nothing, right, bro?
Hold on.
Oh shit.
I ain't gonna lie, the Cheeto really gonna put the little taste in that
I
bitch.
ain't gonna lie to you, Keith. You might have to throw that shit on top of it.
Nah.
Oh, they say that shit
Let
fly.
me know how that did.
Ooh, they been hot though.
Hello?
Oh my god. Wait, you don't got no other place?
You said what?
You don't got no other place?
You said what?
You don't got no other place?
Shut up.
Oh, all right, bet. Let me go ahead and do it.
Yo. Hey, y'all heard that crunch?
Oh, nah, you tripping, bro. Bro, pack this shit up, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Pack this shit up,
said
bro.
what?
Pack this shit up, bro.
Hey, Cole, what you doing?
Bro, oh shit.
Cole, what you doing? You ain't even
Damn, not even he fucking with it.
Kool-Aid with that, bitch.
Oh
You
shit.
ain't even try the Kool-Aid.
I mean, I know this shit good.
Yeah, piece of that.
Hey,
I can't.
What type of customer service is this? Oh shit, Keith.
Hey, bro, what you doing, bro?
Oh shit. Oh.
No, you ain't just throw my bologna sandwich like
shit.
that, bro.
Oh, Keith. Chill, Keith. Chill. Bro. You
Hey,
take
bro,
a man
what you doing, bro?
Oh shit.
You paid for that?
yeah.
Oh.
How much I say that bill was? How much I say? Hey, how much I say that was?
Hey, I don't know shit. You paying for it. It's on this top. I ain't paying shit.
Hey, y'all boy got me pissed off.
I go back to school on God, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, Keith, bro, I'm never going back to that shit.
That place was crazy, bro. Why you had to fuck up the stores?
Y'all so fucking dumb. Y'all crazy, man. Y'all funny as hell, dude.
Shit, though,
I don't
bro.
care. Why you had me at that trash ass store?
Bro, you doing the most right now,
where
bro.
we at
I done
now?
brought you to a new spot, though, champ. You know what I'm saying? It's a once in a lifetime experience, man. If this shit was $100. Alright, man, you know what I'm saying? While we wait for the food, you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and read some reviews this place got. How you feeling? So much variety. I've been to a world of trucks 3 times so far. Always try to eat at a different food truck. For the most part, this is the best place ever. Okay, how you liking that?
It sounds good, man. Everything look good. It smells way better than the last place.
It's way better than the last place, I think too.
But let me see. Let me get a review real quick.
You wanna get one?
Yeah, let me get one. What's this one talking about?
Read that.
Oh shit, this is a 5-star review.
5 stars.
They said, I fell in love with my first food paradise. I can't describe the feeling when I park my car and start walking around the trucks to pick up my food. Just happiness. Service is great. Food is freshly made and worth every penny.
Yes, sir.
You just can't beat that.
No cap, you can't beat it, man. You can't beat it. You know what I'm saying? Let me read one more. Look at it. This is a masterpiece. I've never seen nothing like this. I'm gonna go ahead and say that. Have you?
No, I've never seen this.
Nigga already trying to eat.
But of course, look at you.
Damn. So this is a triple burger. You feel me? With no vegetables, meat, and I guess chicken, and the cheese.
Oh, they went crazy here.
Bacon. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Dude. Oh shit, damn, I'm thinking that's the end of it.
What you think?
That's a big burger. Damn.
Oh. Yeah?
Yeah, gas.
Yes, sir.
This ain't no regular gas either. 93.
Oh, yeah. That good octane.
No worries. Eat it like that, man. Okay. I don't even know how to bite this thing. Like it's too breaded. Oh shoot. Like how do I like?
Okay. It's good, right?
I'm not gonna lie, this is smashing.
This is good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'm ready to try some more.
What about you, Cam?
No cap, man, that shit do look good. You know what I'm saying? When I move, I am gonna be trying like a lot of new stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying, expand my variety of foods and a lot of other shit. But that's the end of the video, man. Let me know how y'all like the video down in the comments below. And if y'all want to see more crazy shit like this, you know what I'm saying, I'm open to all ideas. DM me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? My name will be in the description down below. But that's the end of the video, man. I'm out.
I ain't talking fast, you just listening slow, stupid. Hey, so what a hoe go? They just traded in.